Now, I'm not like a mechanical expert or anything like that, but that does seem to be the culprit of our power steering leak. Yeah, someone tried to jerry-rig this or something. Yeah. Today, I'm bringing you a really awesome car that I just bought and I'm actually really excited about. And as you can see, it's actually really clean. This is a 2007 BMW 335i. So yes, that means this is a twin turbo, inline six, flat six, whatever you call it, slant six. I only spent $3,000 on this, believe it or not, and this runs and drives. Now it does have some issues, I'm not gonna lie, but we'll get to that in a second. But I kind of want to keep this car for a little bit. I mean, it's a 335i, got a little M badge here, I'm probably gonna take that off to be honest with you, but the body is straight. I mean, the tires are new, the engine is nice and healthy. And once you tune these cars and put a few bolt-ons on, these haul ass, and this would definitely smoke my G for sure. And it probably would right now. Now, I actually bought it from these girls that they actually recently bought the car and then the radiator got a crack. Now, as you can see here, coolant kind of went everywhere. But radiator got a crack, and then they obviously didn't know much about cars, and then the power steering developed a leak. And she was actually a student and she wanted something a lot more practical and did not want to deal with the issues of a high mileage BMW. She sold it and she was asking $3,500 and I talked her down to $3,000. I did not know there was going to be a power steering issue until I got there, so I was able to negotiate that in. But yeah, I mean, so to go over the issues, so obviously has a bad radiator. Now there's a massive power steering leak as well. It's probably leaking right now, to be honest with you. Yeah, unfortunately, I really hope it's not the rack and pinion, but I think it is. That's why I'm going to jack the car up and see where it's coming from. If it's the rack and pinion, I mean, I hope it's actually not too bad of a job because it's rear wheel drive, and I should be able to just disconnect it from the column and the inner tie rods and whatever brackets is holding on, and that should be good. These K&Ns definitely are dirty as hell. Like, ugh. And then the power steering pump is groaning because there's like no fluid in it, and I'm really hoping that once I fix the leak, I can put some power steering repair in the pump, bleed the system, and I can still reuse the pump because I really hope the pump didn't get damaged. Or at least too bad to where I have to replace it, because as you can see, the working room here kind of sucks. I can remove, like, this actually isn't even attached to anything. I can remove the fan and then just take this hosing out for the turbo. The working space here isn't too bad for like the engine and spark plugs and intake manifold and all that. That's not an issue. But unfortunately where the belts are, it's a little tight. I do need to replace this belt because of the coolant exploding everywhere. Some coolant got out of the belt and that was chirping, and it's really annoying. And belts aren't exactly expensive, so that's not a big deal. But yeah, I think we can get this in pretty tip-top shape for like at most $400. This is a really, really clean interior. Oh my god, it's hot in here, Jesus. Yeah, getting a black leather car in the middle of summer in Vegas is probably not a good idea, but it does look nice. Yeah, the interior is actually really good for this mileage. There's 160,000 miles on this, so not great, but that's not like terrible either for the shape it's in. Yeah, this car is in good shape. There's climate controls back here, as you can see. Yeah, I don't see a lot of wear on the car, really. Like, I see a little bit on the steering wheel, but like overall, this is pretty good, inside and out. And I'm actually very happy about that. But yeah, dude, this would actually make a really cool daily and just a cool car to have and a cool project. And I'm really debating if I want to flip this because I can make probably a couple grand off of this easy. However, this is just such a cool car and I got it for such a good deal I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll keep it for a little bit and mess around with it and then sell it later. I am trying to grind out this money so I can have money for the SEMA build for the G. Obviously I'm gonna need, I don't know, like 10, 15 grand at most to do it. The engine swap will probably be like 7 or 8, and then I'm gonna want to do a lot of cosmetic stuff because it's gonna basically be a show car at that point for SEMA. I'd give it a start, but I don't really want to start it right now. It kind of sounds really ugly. The belt is chirping and the power steering pump is whining like a little bitch. Also, I want to limit the runtime on this car, just in case I can save that power steering pump, hopefully. Probably not, but just in case. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Really short video. I just wanted to let you guys know, so when you guys see the BMW in the background, you know what's going on. I'll definitely update you guys whenever I do fix some stuff. I already ordered some parts for it, and I'm really debating getting it tuned and getting this thing to like 400 horsepower. That'd be really sicko mode. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like the video. Comment down below what you think of this car. Do you think I got a good deal for $3,000 on this 335i? And yeah, other than that, I will see you guys next time.